Welcome guys to the new edition of this my channel. It's like players rating and review, and this is one of my favorite edition. I actually love playing football and watching football, and I actually do some football like small punditry work. So I think why shouldn't I just do this as my YouTube channel, like a small part? So I thought like we'll just do a small review on the match, like just over by now. Manchester United versus Leeds. The match was amazing. Manchester United was back in form, I guess, after like so many years of ups and downs, and it was back to form, and I was very happy. Happy for the players, happy for the manager, and I think this it is just a beginning, and let's see where it goes. And now, uh, and now we'll go just to the players rating session. And the first player, and there is no much no like rating part here. It's like everything you know. Like I'm gonna share my opinion of the game. The game was nice overall. What I expect from the game was it's like I thought it's gonna be a counter-attacking game like last year, like in homes in Old Trafford. It was like much a counter-attacking game, but this time it was like it was just like a sit back, and I think it was like a passing game, I guess, and it was like much organized game without any chaos. So yeah, and let's go into the rating. And okay, the first player I'm gonna rate is David De Gea. Amazing, totally amazing. No, I'm not gonna say that because he didn't do anything. I think just one time I think the ball was like he just saved one time. It was like glitch ball, like it was going to top corner, like not top corner, like the bottom corner, the left side of the bottom corner, and he saved. It was a good save actually, and I think he couldn't do anything about the Luke Ayling shot. It was rocketing into the top corner. No keeper couldn't save that. So I think I'll give him a 7. Nice passing towards defenders, and it's okay. I think the competition from Dean Henderson will improve his game further. So I guess. And the next player we are gonna do is Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Speaking of him, there was no much attacking output from him. The entirely I saw him one time, like he was in the left wing position and he was trying to do some skills. Unfortunately, it didn't work out. So it was kind of funny. And the rating I'm gonna give him is 6, because there is no much attacking output, as I said earlier. The same reason why he's not in the England squad. But he's good at defense, like good speed running. He just ran forward, good speed, good acceleration, but not the final third. That's what he's missing. I hope he will improve soon with competition of Dalot and Williams. So yeah, I'll give him 6. Cool, it's cool. I think he'll improve sooner. Next one is Victor Lindelof. Amazing. I don't know what happened to Lindelof. He just turned into prime Ramos, I guess, and he was amazing. And nice passing of the ball, nice crossfield passes to Pogba, Luke Shaw, Fernandes. It was a good ball and nice control. I think he got an assist. Amazing. I think like by the transfer of Rafael Varane has like improved him, like motivated him. He knows like his place was in a danger. So I think he gave a good output. Nice forward moving. Amazing. Lindelof was amazing. So what I'm gonna give the rating is 8. It was amazing. The next one is Maguire. Not much Maguire, typical Maguire. We just saw this game. It was I think he got just one header. It just popped outside somewhere outside. I think he need to work out on his heading, I guess. Like if Shaw and Maguire just mastered the heading, like crossing and heading, there is no one can stop Man United. We could have scored like 5 or 6 goals from heading itself. Nice display, some sloppy passes like towards the end. I hope like he will get into the form where he left last season. Amazing. And what rating I'm gonna give him is 6. Yeah, 6. We'll give him 6. And the next one is Luke Shaw. Yeah, nice game and nice movement forward, nice forward running in the first half. Actually, he just gave a good pass to James, but unfortunately he just shoot outside. No problem. Luke Shaw, it's just the start of the season. There is still more to come. I think he's the one player who got booked today, yellow card. So it's okay. And what I'm gonna give for Luke Shaw is 6. No problem. And coming to the midfield, the main man, Paul Pogba. Actually, I didn't see him playing in midfield today. He was playing in the left wing. Actually, he was good. But the first 30 minutes of the game, he was like kind of like shaking, I guess. Some sloppy passes, cheaply giving away some fouls. But after after some 30 minutes or 35 minutes, he was at a top form. Nice controlled ball. The only player in the planet that can give that ball is Paul Pogba. Super pass, a nice control from Fernandes also. And in second half, he was amazing. He just utilized every chances he got. Nice passes to Greenwood. Actually, it was a top pass to top central midfield pass. I think that the time when he was passing to Greenwood, he was in the midfield, the place where he should operate regularly. He was amazing. Nice pass, and Greenwood, amazing finish also. And the next pass to Fred, goal pass. Actually it's just a gifted pass to Fred. Not only Fred, whoever in that person should score. It's like a ball right on the money. Amazing Paul Pogba, the Paul Pogba we wanted, the France Paul Pogba. Amazing. And what rating I'm gonna give him is 8. Super. I think he got like 4 assists like in one day. It was amazing. The assist what he got in last season, the total number was, it's like 3 assists also. But now we just see the Paul Pogba who he was. Amazing. Keep going, Pogba. And the next one is Fred. I didn't see much Fred in the first half. It was some sloppy passes. And second half, he was like good actually. Not good, but he was decent. He scored a goal, which was surprise. I don't know how he just scored a goal. It was surprise and kind of weird, but he should score that goal at least. At least he should score the goal. It was like ball on the money, so he should score the goal. And amazing Fred was yeah, there was a problem in Man United, like defensive midfield problem. So I think like he and McTominay will sort it out. We don't need another midfield, I guess. They two are on like giving away like a good performance, I guess. Next one is McTominay. Amazing, nice driving force Man United in the first half. I think he just did some crucial interception. First first interception was the click cross. Actually the glitch cross, actually the cross should it's like one of the dangerous crosses, but McTominay smartly like headed the ball away, and the next pass he gave to Pogba. That pass just led to goal. And some driving to forward, good McTominay. I will give him 7. And Fred, I will give him, for Fred I will give 7. Yeah, he just scored the goal, so you should give him nice rating. Yeah. And McTominay, nice driving. Yeah, again I think he's a perfect player to fit in the central holding midfield. Yeah, I think he's the one who can hold the ball and run everywhere around the box. Like he has a nice stamina. In the future, I guess McTominay will be a future leader in the Man United. I'll give him 7. Bruno Fernandes, yeah, the tailsman of Man United. Actually, I think today Bruno Fernandes was playing in a false 9, I guess. He was in the more of in the forward position. Good control of the ball, amazing control. That to score, in order to score that kind of goal, he needs a good control. And Fernandes was amazing, good control, and he proved that he can score goal without penalties. Amazing, he scored a hat-trick without penalties, and nice skill also, nice faking the shot for the second goal, I guess, like catching the ball in right and shifting it to left, and nice goal. And nice leadership quality. He just always saying to James to run forward, keep the concentration on. He's a good leader actually. And Fernandes, what rating I'm going to give to him is 9, and he's a man of the match for me. Daniel James, yeah, kind of sloppy, as I don't know what happened to him. Like he was good at the start of 2 years back, like for 4 games, and he just vanished away. I don't know what happened to him. I think like by the introduction of Sancho, I guess he should improve his game. Otherwise, there is no other choice to survive, because there are a lot of players who are coming at his position, right wing and left wing. We have Sancho, Greenwood, Ahmad, Mata, Lingard, so Rashford. So left wing and right wing, it's not going to be easy for James. I think he escaped like 2 seasons without any problem, but I think now he should step up to the challenge and fight for his place. um, some extra touches that so it's like some unwanted touches that shift the ball forward and he couldn't shoot the ball at target. It's okay. So what rating I'm going to give him is 5. Yeah, he'll improve. Mason Greenwood, nice skills actually. Actually, he gave nice ball to Paul Pogba, and the thing is what he just missed the ball. It's okay, but nice skill, nice running forward. I think he's learning from Cavani. I didn't see the full center forward movement from Greenwood. It's like he's just moving to right wing and forward and just moving to left wing. It's like he's just rotating around the position. So I think like he is still learning. He's still learning. I think he's still learning from Cavani. So I think by the end of the season we can see a perfect number 9, Mason Greenwood, and deadly finishing. Oh my God, there is no player in Man United who can finish like Mason Greenwood. Right on the money. A nice finish. Actually, it was a nice ball from Pogba and nice control, nice dribbling and nice finish. And Greenwood, and I think like it's gonna be hard, for Sancho also to get into the team. It's like if like Greenwood is in form, I think there's no one can stop him for the right wing position. He's like one of the best finisher in the right as well as left. He can finish in both foot, which is very rare in many players. Like any players can finish in right leg and left leg, but there is no accuracy, short accuracy like Greenwood. He's one of the gem for Man United, and he's rocking. And the rating what I'm going to give for him is 8. Amazing. I think there is much more to come. And the substitution rating, what is Matic, Martial, Jadon? Yeah, it's okay. Jadon Sancho, big move from Dortmund. Actually, I think he came to fill the right wing place, which has been a struggle for United for so many years. Like after CR7 left, it's like for I guess like for 10 or 11 years, I guess. But now I think he is gonna step up for the place, right wing, and yeah, I think he can prove in the Premier League also like what he can do. I think he scored like 20 goals, 20 assists like last season, last or I don't know, like I think like nearly last or before last season. I think he can do the same thing in Premier League also, and establish himself as one of the exciting players in the Europe. And it's just a start, and we are just waiting for what Sancho can do. And the overall team play was very amazing. Nice passing, nice nice organized game. The position was kind of equal game from both team. It was like 50-50 position, but I think the mistakes Leeds make in the players like Luke Ayling goal was amazing, but some mistakes from him. And Rafinha, he did lot of sloppy passes. I think the difference between was Man United just capitalized the mistakes what Leeds made, and just use the chances and make worth of it. So I think in that way, I guess Man United came as a winners. I know, and the finishing was amazing today. Man United, I think Man United was good at finishing, and these are the reasons why I guess like we just came as a winner. The game was overall good, and the first half was kind of normal, and second half was amazing. And after the fifth goal, I guess the game was kind of started. Man United started sit back and try to defend, which we should avoid, I guess, in future games. And overall, it was good, and hope we will just back the title this season. And yeah, and I think I hope you like this video. It's like my first review. I hope it's not bad as it sings. So I think I'll just improve my quality. So I think there is no light there, so I'll just fix that soon. And yeah, the season is running, off and running. I'll just see you on another vlog. Hope you are taking care of yourself. Okay, take care, goodbye, and see you soon.